Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where to find special offers on the DoorDash application, meaning that you can order food by applying coupon codes, or you can save money, for example, or there are also some possibilities when you don't have to pay for delivery. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now, as you can see, it's loading in, and in a few seconds you will be able to go to your home page by tapping on the first button down below, and after that in the middle you can see that there is this offers option, so tap on it. There's the second one. After clicking on it, the results will be available to you, as you can see, after of course selecting your location at the top. Here you can check out all these restaurants and the special offers. As you can see, the first one has a 20% off coupon code. Another one has this delivery free option. You can also save some money, as you can see. So all you have to do is just simply clicking on the relevant one that you are interested in. After that, you can get to know the product itself. Here you can read about the offer. So if you want to order it, just tap on the this option in the middle of the screen. So you will be able to put it into your shopping cart and purchase or order food. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.